When building a product or launching a business, one of the most important decisions you can make is defining your niche audience. Many founders fall into the trap of trying to appeal to everyone. But in reality, successful products win by resonating deeply with a specific group of people who share a common problem, interest, or need. A niche audience is not just a smaller market, it's a more focused one. Instead of casting a wide net, you're aiming for clarity and depth. Who is this really for? What do they care about? What problem do they think about daily? The more precisely you answer those questions, the more effectively you can build, market, and sell your solution. The best niche audiences are made up of passionate, underserved people. They feel the problem acutely and are actively searching for better solutions. This makes them more likely to engage, give feedback, and even help spread the word. Think of early users as your first tribe. They're not just buying your product, they're joining your mission. To find your niche, start with research. Where do your potential users hang out online? What forums, communities, and subcultures are they a part of? Read their comments, their complaints, and their wish lists. Look for patterns in what they say and how they behave. This qualitative research can give you insight that surveys and data alone can't. It also helps to define specific user personas. Give your niche audience a face, a name, a job, and a story. What motivates them? What are they afraid of? What alternatives are they using now, and why aren't those working? The more human your understanding, the better your product will fit their real needs. But don't just research. Talk to people. Conduct interviews. Get on calls. Ask questions like, what's the hardest part about dealing with this issue? Or how have you tried solving it so far? These conversations reveal not only what your audience needs, but how they think about the problem. Their language becomes your messaging. Keep in mind, choosing a niche doesn't mean you're stuck there forever. In fact, most great companies started narrow and expanded later. Facebook started with college students. Amazon began with books. Airbnb focused on budget travelers attending conferences. By starting with a niche, they were able to gain traction, learn quickly, and build loyalty. Once they had that foundation, they grew. Your niche also influences your go-to-market strategy. If you know exactly who you're targeting, you can be specific with your messaging, your channels, and your offers. You can speak directly to their pain points, in their language, with solutions that feel tailor-made. Finding your niche is not about exclusion. It's about precision. It's about making sure every decision you make, from product features to ad copy, resonates with the right people. Because when you try to be everything to everyone, you often end up being nothing to anyone. So embrace the power of focus. Get to know your niche audience deeply. Understand their problems, speak their language, and earn their trust. In return, they'll give you clarity, momentum, and maybe even your first 1,000 true fans. Because the road to product market fit doesn't start with everyone. It starts with someone.